It's not only made for soup, you know. You'll see. Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, as you saw, I'm gonna take a bowl and I'm gonna do, well, it's not really recycling, because at first I wanted to do a backdrop, if you want. I wanted to make some dirty pouring, then put my bowl over it when it was dry, and then do another pouring over it. Usually we did it a few weeks ago with a vinyl adhesive, but I wanted to try the bowl because it's less of a problem. You just put your bowl on it and that's it. So in a way it's kind of recycling, but since I had already a canvas that I did a few weeks back, you know, when we did the technique with the saran wrap, with the plastic, I think the plastic wrap, I didn't find the word. Well, I didn't quite achieve what I wanted with it, so I thought it was the best way to go about what I was doing with the bowl. So guys, anyway, I don't know how it's gonna come out, like always, but there's only a way to know, it's to try, so let's go and try it. But guys, I think we got it. I think that it's a bit of work. It's not that perfect as a technique because as you saw, there's a lot of acrylic going under our bowl. But I think, you know what, I think it gives, in this case, because we did use a canvas that was already done and with darker colors, and with the one we use, I think it looks like a planet. It really looks like a planet that comes out of the canvas. And because of the infiltration of acrylic underneath our bowl, I think I could have, I did give it a sense of 3D, you know. So I think it looks great. I think, as you saw, I'm going to varnish it. Once varnished, I think it's going to look very great. And once again, we didn't use any silicone, because this time, one of the main reasons I didn't use silicone this time is because that since we were going over canvas that was already done, I was afraid that the silicone would react against the acrylic, which was already very dry. So I didn't take any chance, and I think it worked out great. I think it's a nice piece. I think it's a very, very nice piece. You can see whatever you want in it for as long as you're looking at it, like almost all abstract, I should say. So guys, like always, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're gonna come back, and thanks for watching, and thanks for coming back each time. So like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video, guys. Take care. Ciao.